Hey guys, I got in a couple of pistols for loan. These are actually going to be for some in-range videos. Obviously this is a Glock. Go ahead and take this off. And there's a cool little trick that you can do here. If we just go ahead and manually chamber around... hold on. Crap. Yeah, okay, I guess that would be because it's not a 45. It's a 50. This thing is huge. But I'm actually really looking forward to shooting it. We have this, and we also have a 1911. And this thing is beautiful. The Glock is cool and robust. The 1911 just looks and feels really nice. This will be very interesting to do some playing with. So anyway, these videos will be coming on InRange probably after SHOT Show, but the guns just arrived today and I thought it'd be cool to show them to you guys. Holy moly, that is huge.